Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, it's still 30, but I see that only 30 students have joined.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So let me start taking the attendance. By that time, I hope others will join. Ashi Kumari,
Present, ma'am.
Aniket Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Ankita Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
Anurit Kashypi,
Present, ma'am.
Purva Kundu,
Present, ma'am.
Orko Kormakar,
Present, ma'am.
Arpan Pal,
Present, ma'am.
Ashar,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya,
Present, ma'am.
Chandrei,
Present, ma'am.
Dhruv,
Present, ma'am.
Harshanjal,
Yes, ma'am.
Jagriti,
Present, ma'am.
Ajal Harijan,
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Prasad,
Present, ma'am.
Madhvi,
Present, ma'am.
Meena Ghosh,
Present, ma'am.
Navonita Vishwas,
Present, ma'am.
Prakriti Prakash,
Present, ma'am.
Pratham Haldar,
Present, ma'am.
ऋषिका shaw,
Present, ma'am.
रोहित विश्वास। आज कैसे टपक पड़ा तुम? हाँ, अब पूरा क्लास में नहीं रहोगे तो अटेंडेंस नहीं मिलेगा। अभी सोच रहे हो अटेंडेंस देके फिर आ गए होगे ना, एब्सेंट मार्क कर देंगे। वैसे तुम्हारा अटेंडेंस बहुत कम है। रोहित पासवान,
Present, ma'am.
छायोन,
Present, ma'am.
सायंतिनी,
Present, ma'am.
श्रेया चौधरी,
Present, ma'am.
शुभम शर्मा, स्नेहा चौधरी,
Present, ma'am.
सोमप्रीत बैनर्जी,
Present, ma'am.
शोभिक दत्ता,
Present, ma'am.
सृष्टि प्रसाद,
Present, ma'am.
शुभम शाह,
Present, ma'am.
शुभजीत दास,
Yes, ma'am.
सुज्ञान पानिग्रही,
Yes, ma'am.
सुजय दास,
Present, ma'am.
उदित दास,
Present, ma'am.
विवेक महानंद,
Present, ma'am.
संजय अख्तर,
Present, ma'am.
अंशित दास, अंशित दास।
Ma'am, he was present, but he left the meeting.
Yes, he was present. That is why I'm calling out his name. This is the first day he's attending class, but then he has left. I don't know why. इसके अलावा और कोई ज्वाइन किया? Ashik has informed me. आकाश कर्मकार, no. अनिकेत विश्वास, अनिकेत विश्वास, no. अनिकेत शर्मा,
Yes, ma'am.
अरमान सिंह, no. हिमांशु सिकदार, no. कृतप्रियो, मनीष कुमार गोसाई, रुचा भारद्वाज, समुद्र,
Present, ma'am.
ओके रुचा, समुद्र, Samudra joined? No. Shubhrajit Barua? No. Tuhin Bishwas? No. So there are 41 students. Please take a note. Bhavya and Sugyan Panigrahi. Okay. Hello. Sugyan and Bhavya, थोड़ा ध्यान देना है. Okay, now just I'm presenting the screen. We are going to start with laws of motion. Laws of motion में बहुत portions delete कर दिया है. मतलब main laws of motion ही हटा दिया है. पता नहीं.
मैम
एक मिनट, क्या बोल रहे हो? सुज्ञान नहीं समझ में आ रहा है.
मैम अभी 40
मैम मैं आया हूँ.
अच्छा, कृतप्रिय. ठीक है, चलो. कृतप्रिय का माइक में कुछ गड़बड़ है. जो ऑन करता है सब इको होने लगता है. ओके. So 42 are present right now. ठीक है. All right. You can see the screen, right? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये देखो.
Yes, ma'am.
ये मैंने आप लोगों को भेजा हुआ है. फिर से हम ये बता रहे हैं. ये जो portions है रेड से, वो सब हटा दिया गया है. These portions have been deleted, right? Inertia, Newton's first law, because they are anticipating that ये तो class 9 कर चुके हो, ये फिर से करने का जरूरत नहीं है. तो इसीलिए हम लोग just show you, just to recapitulate the laws of motion. I will show the PowerPoint and then we will go to the topics which are there in your syllabus. तो आप थोड़ा ध्यान देंगे. ये सब आप लोग कर चुके हो. Newton's first law of motion states that what every object continues in a state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless an external unbalanced force acts on it. पता है ना? And this property of all objects to resist any change in a state of rest or state of motion is termed as what?
Inertia.
Inertia. And there are three kinds of inertia: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. That is why this law is also known as law of inertia. देख लीजिए. This is just for recapitulation, I'm sure you. So this is equal and opposite. Block remains at rest. अब देखो क्या हो रहा है. Yeah. So external unbalanced force has been applied, and then it changes its state from rest to motion. Right? Otherwise, because of an external force, even if the person is not stopping, then also the ball will come to rest. Because of which force? Because of which force, if you allow to roll on the ground, it comes to rest after a certain time. Why does it come to rest? Because of which external force, even if you don't stop the ball?
Gravitational force.
Straight.
Correct. Inertia, I've already discussed with you. Mass is a measure of inertia. More the mass of a body, more is its inertia. So that is why we say that heavier objects have more inertia. Just see the comparison: stone and football. Stone will have more inertia. Its mass is more. Cricket ball and a rubber ball of same size. Obviously, the cricket ball. Inertia of rest. देखिए. ये खेलते हो नहीं? Carom. You arrange the coins like this. Strike it with the striker. All the coins do not fall. Only one coin will go to the pocket if you are able to do it correctly. This is experiment we usually do. We usually demonstrate. You flip the postcard, the coin falls to the tumbler. The coin does not move along with the postcard. देखिए. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is very common examples of passengers jerking backward and forward depending upon whether the bus is at rest or in motion. And you can bed sheets. What happens? You can clean the carpet. इसका और एक example है. You can clean the carpet by beating it with a stick. If you shake the branches of a tree, then the fruits fall. All inertia of rest. Inertia of motion. Here, this one again, the bus. Best example. Athlete at the finishing point cannot come to rest, but has to what? Run a short distance, isn't it? Otherwise, what will happen? He will trip and fall. इसीलिए फिनिशिंग लाइन में दो लोग रहते हैं रिबन पकड़ के, तो वो लोग रिबन छोड़ देते हैं. Otherwise, what will happen? The athlete will trip and fall. And even after the application of brakes, any vehicle will not come to rest immediately, isn't it? It will travel a certain distance and then it comes to rest because of inertia of motion. Rotating fan, this is a very common example. Rotating fan, even if you switch off, does it come to rest immediately? No, because it is in motion, it tends to remain in motion for some time and then it comes to rest. Even the electric supply is cut off. The simple pendulum also, it will not come to rest if it is in motion. If it is oscillating, it will continue to oscillate for a certain time and then it comes to rest. So these are all examples of inertia of motion. And this, you know, car or bus turns around a sharp corner, then what happens? We fall sideways because we continue, our tendency is to continue to move along the straight line, inertia of direction this is. And of course, this is a very common example that I've given you in class 9, that you should not move out of a moving bus or moving train, then you are going to fall on your face. These are all examples of inertia of motion. Momentum is what? Anybody remembers? Hello?
Mass into velocity.
That is a mathematical expression of momentum. Mass into the product of mass and velocity is termed as momentum. Momentum is actually the quantity of motion. If a body is at rest, does it possess momentum? If the body is at rest, does it possess momentum? Hello?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Body at rest does not possess any momentum. So we say that momentum is what? The quantity of motion. Right? It is a scalar or a vector? It's a vector. Yes. So m into v. So SI unit is kg meter per second. देखिए. ठीक है? Momentum is 0 for a body at rest. Every moving body must possess momentum. Momentum is a vector quantity and SI unit of momentum is kg meter per second. Already I have informed. A CGS unit is not required. Importance of momentum. Let us see. See here. देखिए इसको पढ़िए थोड़ा. Light vehicle and a heavy vehicle you have, which is moving, if the both are moving with the same speed, which is having more momentum. Heavier one or lighter one? Heavier one or lighter one? The heavier one, isn't it?
Heavier one.
So great force will be required to push the heavy vehicle, right? Yes. Okay. A bullet fired from a gun can easily pierce human tissue before it stops, isn't it? Resulting in casualty. Why? Moderate speed, it will not cause much damage because it is having less momentum. The first one is having more momentum, correct? Okay, so the greater the rate of change of momentum, greater is the force, and from this only we can arrive at the second law of motion. देखिए. The above examples do not indicate that momentum is a vector, but what about this? This shows that momentum is a vector. Suppose a stone is hurled with a uniform speed in a horizontal circle by means of a string. You leave the stone, what will happen? The stone will continue to move in a circular path or fly off tangentially.
And it will fly off tangentially.
Right, right. देखिए. Okay, now we come to the second law of motion. You know, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force and takes place along the direction of force. F is equal to what? Change in momentum by time taken. So mv minus mu by t, or m into v minus u by t, and we get F is equal to mass into acceleration m into a. So the first law gives a qualitative definition of force and the second law gives a quantitative definition of force. All this you have done in class 9. I'm just brushing up, recapitulating. इसका मतलब क्या है? Delta applied delta t, small change in momentum by time interval. So this k comes out to be a constant of proportionality. It is equal to 1. So we get F is equal to simply k into dp by dt or ma. Isn't it? F is equal to ma. देखिए. This is in terms of what? Calculus. And Newton is a unit of momentum. 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. So 1 Newton is that force which, when applied on a body of mass 1 kg, produces in it an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. So we say that acceleration is directly proportional to force, but inversely proportional to mass. And of course, force is a vector. So force can cause acceleration or deceleration. You know, accelerator of a car accelerates it while brakes decelerate it. SI unit of force I've told you. I've given you the definition also. Just see here. Place 100 gram on your outstretched palm. It's nearly equal to 1 Newton. देखिए. Some important points about second law. ये देख लीजिए. F is equal to 0 means A is equal to 0. If no force is acting on the body, will the body accelerate? Can a body accelerate without applying force?
No, ma'am. No,
Yeah.
ma'am.
And second law is a vector form of what? So you have the three components. So it is not necessary the forces are going to act along one direction only. So if in a plane, if you consider the three components are Fx, Fy, and Fz, so you have to write in terms of components. This I've explained you. Should have vectors. Okay. Impulse. Impulse is another quantity which is very important. It is product of force and time, isn't it? Yes. When a force acts on a body for a very short time, then we say that the force is an impulsive force. And mathematically, it is the product of force and time. Yeah. The product of force and time is termed as impulse. This is the reason why shock absorbers are provided in vehicles to allow more time during the bumps and the jerks. आप लोग साइकिल से स्कूल आते थे ना पहले? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो साइकिल में शॉक अब्जॉर्बर्स है क्या?
हाँ मैम है.
कहाँ पे रहता है?
मैम सीट के पीछे वाले है ना मैम.
सीट के नीचे, पीछे नहीं, सीट के नीचे.
हाँ मैम नीचे में.
वो
हाँ
जो बड़े बड़े स्प्रिंग्स होते हैं ना सीट के नीचे, वही आपके शॉक
वही वाला.
अब्जॉर्बर्स है. Yes. See here, this we know. This is a very common example which you have done in class 9. A fielder pulls his hands backwards to catch a fast moving cricket ball in order to increase the time interval. More the time interval, lesser is the impact of force. Shorter the time interval, greater is the impact of force. ठीक है ना? This is how. Is time interval F is equal to what? dp by dt. So d जितना ज्यादा होगा, impact of force उतना ही कम होगा. Third law of motion, you know, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. That is, in an interaction between two bodies, that is, in an interaction between two bodies, the what? Force exerted by the first body on the second is equal and opposite to the force exerted by the second body on the first. ठीक है? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is what I was telling. ध्यान देना है, action and reaction are what? Which physical quantities? Forces. And ये जो third law of motion, ये same body or different bodies? Applicable to two bodies or same body? Pair of bodies or one body?
Ma'am, दो body.
Always, yeah, forces always come in pairs. Yes. So action and reaction, please remember, do not act on the same body. They act on the different bodies simultaneously, एक ही साथ, एक ही instant में. ये देख लो. बहुत सारे examples हम लोग ने discuss किया है class 9 में. See here, yeah. This is a very important one. Recoil of gun. Yeah. The person will what? Press the trigger, bullet moves forward, and the gun moves backward.
Backward.
देखा? This is recoil of gun. ये देखो, this is another one. This is propulsion, rocket propulsion, also same principle. देखिए. Right? The walking is also a very good example. You press your feet in the backward direction, the ground and turns, exert force on you on the forward direction, and that is how you are able to walk. Of course, friction is also responsible, otherwise you will not be able to walk. Swimming is another example. This is a very nice example when the sailor has to move out of the boat. इसका थोड़ा देखना है. हाँ, देखा? अब ये बताइए तो इसमें कौन सा एक्शन है, कौन सा रिएक्शन है? वाटर कहाँ से रिएक्शन हुआ? कौन सा फोर्स एक्शन है, कौन सा फोर्स रिएक्शन है? ये सब गड़बड़ करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. यूजुअली दे कमिट अ मिस्टेक टू आइडेंटिफाई एक्शन एंड रिएक्शन. बोलो.
मैम एक्शन जब कूद रहा है ऊपर और रिएक्शन जो नीचे हो रहा है.
हाँ, ये कॉमन है, ये कॉमन मिस्टेक है. Action is when the person is exerting a force on the boat. Correct? The boat in turn exerts an equal and opposite force on the person, and that is how the person is able to jump to the shore. So when the sailor jumps to the shore, the boat moves back. ये देखिए हॉर्स कार्ट प्रॉब्लम सेम है, इसमें कॉमन है ना कि हॉर्स तो कार्ट को खींच रहा है सामने, and the cart should pull the horse in the backward direction, so cart should not move. Is that the case? In class 9 we have done. Actually what happens, बताइए, the horse is actually pushing the ground in the backward direction, right? And the ground in turn pushes the horse in the forward direction, and that is how the horse is able to move the cart. This is you have seen, so I'm not going into the details. देख लीजिए. हाँ, now we come to the most, यहाँ से हम लोग को करना है law of conservation of momentum. In an ideal collision, what happens? The total initial momentum during collision or before collision is equal to the total final momentum after collision. ये करवाया था मैंने, याद है? क्लास 9 में प्रूफ भी करवाया है. हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये जस्ट सी और अभी देख लीजिए, उसके बाद हम करवाएंगे आप लोगों को. I will tell you an easy method also. ये देखिए. This is a practical example. Yeah. ये तुम लोग किए हो. This proof you have done. I will give you in short. ये थोड़ा देख लीजिए. What will you prove? M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equal to M1 U1 plus M2 V2. Using which law? The second law and the third law, both. और सिर्फ second law use करके भी हम लोग proof करेंगे, वो एक लाइन का proof रहेगा. ठीक है? ये थोड़ा लंबा proof है. Vector treatment, see, it's so easy. ये देखो, देखा? See here. We are going to do in an easier way. और भी easy way में करेंगे. This is the vector treatment. Previous one you have seen that without considering any direction it was proved. Here you see, this is the final momentum before collision. This is the initial momentum. Sorry, final momentum after collision, and this is the initial momentum before collision. And we have proved that they are equal. So we have proved the law of conservation of momentum. Okay. So ये आज हम लोग करेंगे. Please write the name of the lesson. लॉज ऑफ मोशन लेसन कहाँ है? बिना लॉज को लिखे, है ना? नाइस. सीबीएसई अच्छा है. चलो ठीक है ना? इट्स नाइस. आज का डेट डालिए. व्हाट इज द डेट टुडे?
29.
Yeah. Start from a new page. And one thing I will tomorrow. किस का क्या काम कंप्लीट है और नहीं है. अरमान सिंह is here?
Yes, ma'am.
अरमान सिंह, तुम बहुत स्मार्ट हो रहे हो आजकल, है ना? और जो तुम्हारा हैबिट था वो फिर से कंटिन्यू कर रहा. यू नो व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग, isn't it? करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, क्यों बोल रहे? थोड़ा तुम क्लास के समय तुम थोड़ा बता दो तो.
मैम पीछे ही काम करे रखा.
आगे का काम कोई और. Is that your handwriting?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Who handwriting it is?
My father.
Tell your father to have a talk with me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Why father is spoiling you, I don't know. Instead of you, your father is doing the work for you. What were you doing in all these days when I was teaching? It's not that I tell you to do the work on your own. ये पूरा हम करते हैं क्लास में बकायदा. तो आपने क्यों नहीं किया? तुम क्लास में बैठ के करते क्या हो? आइंस्टाइन बन रहे हो क्या? अरमान सिंह, I'm talking to you.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बोलो. What is your problem? During the class, what do you do? When I'm taking the class and making you write, at that time, what are you doing during my class? अब तो तुमको कैमरा खोल के क्लास करवाएंगे हम. कॉपी सामने लिखोगे and I will see that I will ensure that you are writing when I'm teaching over here. Are you reading my mind? Where is your copy? अपने कॉपी वापस लिया कल?
No, ma'am.
Why?
मैम कल बारिश हो रही थी।
कल बारिश हो रही थी? कब?
मैम वेदर क्लाउडी था और पापा मतलब नहीं थे कल, मतलब स्कूल गए थे।
अच्छा, तुम कहाँ रहते हो?
मैम मैं पार्क में ही रहता हूँ।
अच्छा, तो तुम नहीं आ सकते हो, पापा को आना है कॉपी लेने। You are so busy at home with what I know. तुम कॉपी में लिख नहीं सकते हो, कॉपी लेने नहीं आ सकते हो, कॉपी देने नहीं आ सकते हो। What is wrong with you? तो तुम छोड़ दो ना, हम तुमको रिमूव कर देंगे परमानेंटली फिजिक्स क्लास से। And I will have a talk with your father that you don't need to attend the physics class because you are the Einstein of class 11C. Why to attend the physics class? Please tell your father to talk to me today itself.
Okay, मैम।
और हम बार बार बता रहे हैं, ज्यादा स्मार्ट नहीं बनो। ये स्मार्टनेस घर में दिखाओ, not in the school during the classes. And how dare you make your father write the physics work and submit your copy also? And you didn't even bother to ring me up कि मैडम मेरा कंप्लीट है, मैंने काम नहीं किया, पापा ने सब काम करके दिया। What's wrong with you? What is your percentage in class 10?
मैम 89.6।
89.6। उसमें भी यही हाल था, इसीलिए तुम्हारा कम हो गया। You are fit to get above 90%. Because of this attitude, I think you have not done so well in class 10. तुम्हारा throughout performance class में खराब था, इसीलिए percentage कम मिला। Because this time all the teachers have given the marks. That means throughout the class in class 10 also you did the same thing. कुछ नहीं किए हो पढ़ाई वढ़ाई। So please tell your father to have a talk with me today in the evening positively. Otherwise, I will not allow you to attend my class henceforth. आया समझ में? अरमान सिंह?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your mother? Mother is there? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, मम्मी को थोड़ा बुलाओ, मम्मी से बात करेंगे अभी। और पापा को भी बोलना मेरे साथ बात करने के लिए। Let me first call your mother right over here. Please call your mother.
नमस्ते मैम।
हाँ नमस्ते। ये अरमान सिंह जो है, मेरे क्लास जब चलता है वो क्या करता है बताइए तो? क्लास अटेंड करता है क्या? फोन खोल के कुछ और काम करता है?
वो तो लेकिन कॉपी किताब लेके बैठा है। तो
आज
नहीं
की
दे
बात
रहा है।
नहीं कर रहे हैं, आज की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं। जब से क्लास शुरू हुआ है ये कुछ
हाँ।
काम नहीं किया है, थोड़ा बहुत काम किया है, वो भी अपने पापा से करवा के जमा किया है। आप सोच सकते हैं इसका क्या हल है?
लेकिन ये पढ़ने बैठता है और मैं देखती हूँ क्या किया है।
पढ़ने
लेकिन
बैठता है लेकिन करता क्या है? पढ़ाई जब हम करवाते हैं वो दिखता है। हम तो क्लास में सब लिखवाते हैं, हम तो काम नहीं देते कि घर में करो। क्लास में
अच्छा,
पढ़ा के आप उससे उसके फ्रेंड से पूछ लीजिए। सारा काम मैं क्लास में जब पढ़ाती हूँ तब खुद लिखती हूँ और लिखाती हूँ। तो ये हालत क्यों है उसका?
अच्छा मैडम, मैं बात करती हूँ इससे।
और
और
आपने ये नहीं देखा कि उसने कुछ काम नहीं किया, उसने अपने पापा से काम करवाया है? ये आपको पता है कि ये नहीं पता?
ये तो मुझे नहीं पता है, लेकिन ये कॉपी कलम लेके बैठे ही रहता है, पढ़ता ही है। मतलब यहाँ वहाँ तो
पढ़ता है
जाता नहीं
मतलब
है।
क्या पढ़ता है? कुछ लिखा नहीं है क्या? मतलब अपने मन में पढ़ाई करता है? ये तो फिर आइंस्टाइन हो गया। कुछ लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है, सारे बच्चे लिख रहे हैं, ये नहीं लिखता है।
अच्छा अच्छा मैडम, मैं इसको बोलती हूँ।
और इस पापा को बोलिए मेरे से बात करने के लिए। आप लोग इंटेलिजेंस दे रहे, पापा ने काम क्यों करके दिया? और वो भी आधा काम करके वो भेज दिया। उसका इतना साहस है, देखिए।
अच्छा मैडम, मैं सॉरी, मैं इससे बात करती हूँ, इसके पापा से भी करती हूँ।
पापा
ठीक
को
है,
बोलिए मेरे से बात करने के लिए आज ही। ओके, राइट डाउन लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम। Can you see the screen, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will prove first by using the laws of motion. So suppose this is one body. अरमान सिंह, तुम्हारे पास तो कॉपी भी नहीं है। हाँ,
मैं डायरी में लिख
कॉपी
रहा हूँ।
पापा लाने जाएंगे, ये हाल है। मतलब तुमको चलना फिरना आता नहीं है ना? Moving with velocity u1, this is initial velocity, ठीक है? This is another body. This is body B having mass m2. ये सब कर चुके हो आप लोग, फिर से ये रिवीजन हो रहा है. ये क्या है? Before collision, right? And they suffer a collision. When will they suffer collision? What should be the condition? u1 and u2 equal होने से collision करेंगे? Collision होगा? What should be the condition for collision? When will the bodies collide?
And when U1 and U2 will be opposite in direction.
बस, इसके अलावा नहीं. When u1 is greater than u2. Collision
yes.
होगा कि नहीं? तब collision
Yes,
होगा कि
ma'am.
नहीं?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So this is after collision. Okay, velocity after collision. This is again body B. Mass is m2. And velocity after collision is v2. तो ये हो गया आफ्टर कोलिशन का फिगर. और भी सारे बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो हम इनकम्प्लीट किए, लेकिन अरमान के जैसा कोई नहीं है. इतना दुस्साहस कोई नहीं किया. एटलीस्ट इनकम्प्लीट काम पूरा शुरू का कुछ काम नहीं है, स्मार्टली कॉपी जमा कर दिया, वो भी पापा से लिखवा के. इट्स रियली सरप्राइजिंग फॉर मी. अब बताइए, exerted by the first body on the second using the second law of motion. If we write it as FAB, so what is it? M1 into V1 minus U1 by T, where T is the time interval. Similarly, what will FBA be? Using the second law of motion. Is it okay? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Now,
ma'am.
now
ma'am, the screen cannot be seen.
screen is not visible.
No, ma'am.
नहीं मैम
it
दिख
is.
रहा है.
अच्छा, फिर से okay,
It's visible,
उसका
ma'am.
कुछ
Ma'am,
प्रॉब्लम
let me
होगा,
rejoin.
उसका
Ma'am,
कुछ
let me
प्रॉब्लम होगा.
rejoin.
नेट का
Ma'am,
प्रॉब्लम
let me-
होगा. मैं फिर से कर रही हूँ प्रेजेंट.
Yes, ma'am. Due to weather problem, the net
Yeah,
is
yeah,
becoming
yeah.
slow.
Your net is slow maybe, or maybe some problem is there. अब देखो, फिर से मैं स्क्रीन
मैम
शेयर.
पहले ही ठीक है मैम, हमारा ठीक है, उसका ही
Yes,
कुछ
ma'am. Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
From third law of motion, FAB is equal to minus FBA, है ना?
Ma'am, can you please scroll?
Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. Yeah. हेलो.
हाँ मैम, हो गया.
अच्छा, अब थोड़ा करें स्क्रॉल.
Yes.
Yeah. Now we are going to substitute this. What I have written. So we have what? M1 V1 minus U1 by T.
V2 minus U2 होगा ना?
Yeah. I'm sorry. Correct. Obviously. What we can write here? Minus M2 V2 minus U2 by T. Now we simplify. So M1 V1 minus M1 U1 is equal to minus M2 V2 plus M2 U2. Is it okay? Hello. Now we arrange the terms. थोड़ा arrange कर ले terms. Hello.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we bring this and this in the same side. So we have M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. ये क्या है? First one is initial momentum of the first object, initial momentum of second object. This side we have final momentum of object, final momentum of the second object. क्या हुआ? Total initial momentum. Therefore, total initial momentum is equal to क्या हो गया? बताओ. Total
Final momentum.
तो इसको हम स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. मैंने प्रूफ पहले कर दिया, स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे. ठीक है? Should I read?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you write the statement. Both the statements I will write. Statement है इसका conservation of momentum का. ठीक है? In an ideal collision मतलब क्या? External forces acting when they are colliding. An ideal collision इसके बीच में between two bodies. The total initial momentum before collision. The total initial momentum before collision is equal to क्या? बताइए. Total final momentum दिख रहा है ना?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, after collision. Now I will give you an alternate statement. उसका proof बहुत ही easy है. Because you have done now calculus, it will be very easy. ठीक है? लिखे? Should I write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is another statement और इसका proof करेंगे हम. In an isolated system is again the same when no external force acts on the system. In an isolated system, the total linear momentum of the system remains क्या? Conserved or constant. ठीक है? अब इसका प्रूफ देखिए. एक लाइन में हो जाएगा, दो लाइन में. ठीक है? From the second law of motion we have done now. F is equal to what? Rate of change of momentum. So
Yes,
in terms of differential coefficient we can write delta P by delta T.
ma'am.
डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट के टर्म्स में अगर इसको बहुत छोटा लेते हैं तो ये dp by dt हो जाएगा, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
I have told you what is an isolated system. In an isolated system, what is F? बताओ क्या है? अभी बताया मैंने आइसोलेटेड जीरो.
Zero होगा.
F अगर जीरो है, F अगर जीरो है तो dp by dt भी जीरो होगा, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Differential coefficient of a constant is zero. dp by dt अगर zero है, that means P should be constant. P is constant. What is the reason? Differential coefficient. Differential coefficient या derivative. Differential coefficient of constant is zero. ठीक है? तो हमने क्या प्रूव कर दिया? When no external force acts on the system means isolated system में मोमेंटम क्या है? कांस्टेंट है, ठीक है? नोट किया?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anybody who has still not finished?
Ma'am, one second.
देखो, anybody wants to write? जिसका नहीं हुआ है, जिसका खत्म नहीं हुआ है, बोलो.
I'm done.
Anybody still doing?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I think some of you have joined late. Who are those? Mansingh is one.
No,
Who is it?
one Anshit Das.
Oishik Das. You told that you're not well.
No, ma'am, Anshit Das.
Anshit Das. Yeah, Anshit Das, you were there. पता नहीं बीच में चले गए थे. एकदम शुरू में तुम थे, ना? Yeah, Anshit Das and who else? That's all. अभी तो बताया. अरमान सिंह. कौशिक, आकाश कर्मकार, अंकित विश्वास है ना? हिमांशु सिकदार एब्सेंट. या मनीष कुमार गोसाई नहीं है. ज्ञान दास नहीं है. समुद्र
मैम मेरा थोड़ा लेट हो गया क्योंकि वो मेरी मम्मी स्कूल गई थी तो उन्होंने कॉल
I
किया था.
I know. Your mother has informed me. That's all. शुभ्रजीत बरोड़ा है क्या? नहीं. हाँ, बस इतना ही है. चलो, okay, thank you. You can leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, please leave.
मैम
हाँ, बोलो.
मैं स्कूल में नहीं गई थी.
नहीं, इतना वेदर खराब है, कैसे जानता हो? क्यों?
मैं आया था सिक्योरिटी अंकल वो हमें तो नहीं है.
हाँ, पूछ के आना है ना? जिस दिन हम बनने के लिए उस दिन अगर तुम लोग नहीं आते हो तो पूछ के आना है.
ठीक है मैम. अगली बार.
हाँ, पूछ के आना.
ठीक है मैम.